A standardized breath collection method in children could be used to answer key questions about the status of pediatric medical conditions non-invasively and to compare results between studies. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows the collection of breath samples from children in a simple, non-invasive, and reproducible manner.
The implications of this technique extend to the diagnosis of a wide range of disease states, including infections, metabolic disorders, and cancer, and for point-of-care testing for clinical use. Visual instruction is very helpful because there are so many parts to our breath collection equipment and because setting up the equipment can be complicated.
To assemble the breath sample equipment, attach a cardboard mouthpiece to the breath sampler and attach a short length of large diameter tubing to the other end of the sampler. Attach the breath connector to the bag valve via the tubing. Turn the knurled thumb screw on the side of the inlet fitting counterclockwise to unlock the valve in the open position and push the stem of the bag valve down to open the inlet fitting for sampling. Turn the knurled thumb screw on the side of the inlet fitting clockwise to lock the valve open and confirm that the blue valve on the breath sampler is open and parallel with the connector. Then write the patient ID, date, and time on the label of the polymer bag. Before initiating the breath collection, use a breath sampler without a bag to demonstrate the breath exhalation to the patient. Explain that the patient should breathe out like they would do when blowing up a balloon and to continue breathing out.